and welcome to Mini Crafts for Little Hands. Today I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous beaded snowflakes to decorate your Christmas tree. Let me show you what you're going to need. You'll need some beads, and these are called pony beads. They've got a nice big hole in the middle of them which makes them really easy to thread, especially for younger, smaller hands. And then we also have some pipe cleaners. What I've done here is I've taken two big sparkly pipe cleaners and I've cut them in half so that I've got four little ones. Okay, so I'm going to start with these pipe cleaners, and what you do is you gather them all together in the middle and then you do a big twist, maybe two twists, and that secures them all together, and then you just spread them out a little bit so it almost looks like a nice big firework like that there. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to thread about 6 beads onto each of these little arms of our snowflake, and I think I'm going to continue on my red and green theme and just thread different reds and greens on these little arms here. So I've put beads all on my snowflake, and I'm just going to finish it off here with a little silver bead on the top of each of the arms. And then what I do is I bend each of the little arms back and twist it almost in on itself and put it into the top bead, just like that. So it kind of looks like a bit of a curvy bit at the top. And that way the beads won't fall off, because you don't want your beads of your snowflake to fall off. I'm just going to finish it off here. Just finishing off the last little arm here, twisting it in, and there we go. There's a lovely little Christmas snowflake that I'll put on my tree. I hope you enjoyed making these. Please do share your snowflake creations with us using the hashtag FEArtschool. I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!